I'm Henry, and today I'm going to teach you how to 3D print. There are many different types of 3D printers you can use, but today I'll be using my toy box. If you're using a toy box, let's head on over to their website. You can access it from your phone or a computer, but today I'll be demonstrating from my phone. They have a bunch of wonderful models to choose from, but today I think I'll print this cute lizard. First, we must make sure that the printer is turned on. Then let's click on the food button and make sure we have the color printer food we want to print with. If you don't, then you can simply tap the remove button and insert the color of your choice. I suggest tapping the insert button until you can clearly see the new color coming out of the nozzle. Now it's time to print. Let's click the button that says Print Me and wait patiently until it's done. Let's learn some helpful tips while we wait. The first tip I'm going to teach you is how to perform a color change. If you want your model to be multicolored, you can simply perform a color change by cutting the printer food and slowly inserting your new color into the hole. Color changes can make for a very unique addition to any model, and if you can print it one color, then why not print it two? What if you could design your own creations? Yep, that's right. Using a helpful website called Tinkercad, I'm going to teach you how to invent your own 3D printable models. I recommend Tinkercad, but there are many other websites that will allow you to make your very own creations. I like using Tinkercad because it's super simple. There are already a bunch of prepared shapes and objects you can reform to your liking or use to create a huge masterpiece. It also makes it easy to download the file and import it into Toybox or whatever 3D printer you're using and turn it into a real toy. Some websites might allow you to even submit your own models for other people to print. This can make for a nice pastime while our lizard finishes printing. And right about now our lizard should be done printing. Let's go see how it looks. Wow, this lizard turned out great. I love how the legs are a different color from the body, so let's make sure to give it a smiley face. Don't forget to turn off the printer. And that's just about it. I love to incorporate 3D printing into my everyday life, and it's such a wonderful hobby. I hope this video helped, and happy printing!